This is my 1/23/2025 market recap. And today it hit our stop loss on our trade that we took on January 21st, 2025. And let's go over it. Let's go why it hit my stop loss and what can we learn from this, because I made a mistake on this trade. Let's go over it, right? So what happened was it was a OTE. So basically a deep retracement, right? So deep retracement to scare off traders who are right side of the market. And I got caught into this. And why did you do this? It was basically to scare off, traders who are right, make him think it's always gonna go for, always gonna go down, right? It's gonna be wrong. Eventually doing his second leg up to the upside. Basically, what a OTE does is it kicks up the second leg, right? Basically, market has a huge retracement, accumulates enough orders, scares off a lot of traders, and it causes the second leg to happen, which the second leg is right over here, which just caused a big ass candle to the upside, right? And other thing that OTE does, it does a false market structure shift. You can see market people think, well, if this is the market structure shift, nope, market comes right back down, right? So people who are dumb money traders will have long this breakout, would have long this breakout structure, and what I've got caught and what I've had a lot of stop loss, because OTE does that as well. Basically, creates a false market structure shift, and market eventually does a huge retracement. Eventually, the retracement causes it to move right back to the upside or downside, vice versa, right? And our OTE level, as you guys know, is 62, 75, 70, 0.7705, and 0.79, right? Those are our OTE levels, right? Those are the highest probability of an OTE level, right? And what was my mistake today I made? My mistake was I put my stop loss way too high for my entry, and the rule I made today, I just put it down so I don't make the same mistake again in the future. Let's go read out both of us. Let's go read it out and why did I put that rule down, right? And if I go right over here, I put it down the rule where I should not be trading. I should not put my stop loss way too high. I should put it in a spot where right over here, right? When my take profit is hit, I will move my stop loss at break even and will not try my stop loss beyond that break even point, regardless of the news or any other factors. Why do I do that? Why did I say that? Why did I put it down? Says this is my second time encountering. Saying this is my second time encountering a OTE deep retracement. I've decided to make it as a rule because the last time I did the same thing happened, right? I market did a huge retracement and eventually went right back up, right? Or we were back down, right? And why did I do that? Why did I put that rule down? Because of a OTE. So OTE basically what it does, if you put your stop loss, just say your entry is here, right? And this OTE level is here, this example, right? And if you put your stop loss like right over here, you're thinking it will cover, I'm saying, if the market does go down, let's just say the market, this trade would have gone a loss, right? It would be like, okay, I would have been protected, right? No, because there was going to be a OTE here, right? 0.75 mark and 0.79 mark was there, right? So going beyond this, okay, we could put our stop loss maybe like right below this, 0.75 mark. See, we're 0.79 mark. That would be a good stop loss to put, but anywhere from 0.79 to 0.62 or 0.50, I should not put my stop loss there because those are dangerous spots where OTE could occur. Even at 0.79, I should either put it a little bit above it or below it, right? In this case, it's a bullish example. I should put it a little bit below it, right? So at 0. Somewhere around here, like a little bit far away from it. I won't be exact where to put it, right? But this right over here would have been a good example because market could go down here, wick, or back up, right? In this case, market wicked out of the 0.70 mark, right? 0.7005 mark. This is when the market wicked out of it, and eventually from this right over here, caused a move right back to the upside, right? These are the OT retracement levels of ICT, but most ICT traders use OTE wrong, and that's why today I got caught. But it's a lesson learned. You learn from it. I wrote it down as a rule that it will not happen again. Now, next time, when my take profit target is hit, I will move my stop loss to my break even and not beyond. Why is that? Because OTE. So I put my stop loss at the break even spot and not beyond to make sure I don't get caught on the OT, because that OT will do a huge retracement near my stop loss. This case, it was near my stop loss, right, near my entry, eventually move right back upside, right? So made a mistake, we'll learn from it, right? And this stop loss right over here was a 1 RR gain, but you know what I'm saying, I made what, this stop loss right over here was a $150 gain. This is 1 RR from risking $150, right? But I could have definitely held it all over here and made a 6 RR gain, right? Which was this right over here would have been a $700 right over here, right? And take profit would have been 1,000, right? Yes, I'm not saying this to be a greedy person, but I'm saying this to be, you know, to know that next time it should not be like this, right? Next time it should be strictly, you know, at the break-even point, a little bit above or a little bit below it, just to cover spread if it does go down there, right? And so we can, you know what I'm saying, pay the fees, right? Eventually, out of that, we should not go beyond too high. It should not go all the way here to the 70 mark, right? I should put it all the way to right over here or nothing else, right? And a lot of people guys wondering, what type of OT is this? Is this a, you know what I'm saying? Probably people are wondering, like, what type of OT is this? This is the OT of CRT, right? This is the weekly CRT OTE, right? So candle number 1 that souped it out. Eventually, this third candle will have an OT somewhere over here, right? This OT does not have to be, the OT cannot, I mean, the OT could be somewhere down here. It could be anywhere, right? But it's an OT, right? But, you know, OT are, they do happen, but not that often. But when they do happen, market, you know, does a huge retracement, right? So be careful on that. And this was the weekly OT. So that's why we go to the 4-hour time frame using time frame alignment. This is the OT low, OT high. How do you determine OTE? That'll be the next video. The video will be published right now about OTE, right? How to use it correctly. So thank you for watching. This is my market recap of, you know, my mistake I made. I say I hit out stop loss at profit, but it should not be like this again next time. I will not make the same mistake again next time. I will not, right? So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, comment, share. Join Discord. Actually, I'll see you guys on the Discord. Peace out.